Okay, hope you're doing well today. Sarah and I, we're going to jump into this hive behind me. I'm really trying to shape it up to be hopefully a good honey production hive this year. And everything's blooming. It's the 1st of March. Red buds, maples, pear trees around here. So really starting to see a lot of activity. It's over 70 degrees and it's not going to get above, the lows are going to be above 50. Low 50s for the next several days. I'm going to go through this box real quick, feed them, put a pollen patty on top, and I'm also going to go down and see if we can move a brood frame up so that over the next month, hopefully they'll grow a little bit more in numbers. Got plenty of room. Be ready for the honey flow in about a month. All right, stay with us. Go ahead and hit them with some smoke, Sarah, just so we let them know we're here. I want to make sure that smoke's working real good. Today's a good day for smoke. It's real overcast. Sun's coming out a little bit, but you know, that's good. Even though they're out and about, I could see them getting upset at me. All right, these are. See how they're doing. Wow. All right, let's give them a little smoke up here. All right. Lid, okay. All right, good. Now here's what I want to do. I want to just look real quick. Obviously, we're going to take this off in a second, but I'm going to remove some of this so that if I do find a frame that we can move up, I'm going to make sure and have plenty of room to do that. So let's see. Plenty of room here. All right, this frame right here, they're starting to look at it, but they haven't done anything. I'm gonna set it to the side. That'd be a good frame for us to move down in the bottom possibly. This frame has a little bit of comb on it, so I may actually leave that one, or yeah, tell you what, these were brand new frames, had plenty of room. You can see there's still nothing on them. I'm just gonna set them here. That's good. You don't even have to smoke them out front. Thank you, bud. You're doing a great job. All right. Here's another one. So I'm just going to move these kind of out of the way. So if we find a good frame in the bottom to move up, we got plenty of space. All right. So queen could be anywhere. Boy, you can really see them down there, right? You can see they're drinking all this feed. The feed is almost completely empty, and I filled this thing up about 4 days ago. All right, give them a little smoke. I'm gonna set this down here. All right, girls, y'all stay right there. Wow, they're all over this. Wow, they're starting to move up, I believe. I think they're placing nectar up here. All right, so we're in good shape. Queen could be anywhere. There's no excluder in here. So here's what I want to do. Wow, look at these. They're really starting to build these out pretty good. Had a couple of frames in here that didn't have much on them. In fact, I think this is the one. I really want to go from the outside. Give me some smoke here, babe. Just smoke them down. There you go. We'll smoke these little girls down. Tell you what, I might grab it. Here we go. Just want to get them. They might be a little temperamental with me today, and I don't blame them. Come away from that entrance. Go, get right there. Perfect. All right, let me set this right here for just a second. Let's see if we can just get this loose. I want to start from the outside. I'm going to be real careful though, because again, that little queen could be anywhere. I see bees walking around with lots of, wow, man, they're attached. Lots of pretty pollen all over them. There's a lot of stuff blooming right now, starting to really kick off blooming season. Isn't it? Sarah, isn't it? You're like, what? All right, I'm gonna set this one to the side down here. Well, there's a lot of bees in here. Tell you what, I might have enough room. I'm just gonna set this frame to the side right here. It's got a lot of bees on it. All right, this gives us plenty of space to be able to. All right, little girl. I'm just trying to break these apart. You know, when you've been in a, let's smoke this thing. All right. Lots of bee numbers. I've been trying to give them some space so they don't swarm on me. I'm also trying to make sure that we just are giving them plenty of room to start building more brood. Get that plenty of space for that queen to keep laying. Look at this thing. I mean, it's loaded down. It's got some brood on here. There's lots of honey. This is a good frame right here. I don't know. I'm looking for the queen to see exactly where the queen may be. But I actually may take this frame and move it up. Okay. I don't see. Here, remember they got agitated at you last time, didn't they? Yeah. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this one. See what I'm doing here. I'm going to move this frame up. Now that frame had some bulges in it, and I'm moving it up next to a frame that actually is already built out. Okay, so we're going to leave it there for just a second. Now these, I put some frames in between. I kind of checkerboarded the other day, and I know it's a little early. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, give me some smoke. Smoking good right there. Yeah, good. Thank you, baby. You're awesome. Okay, I wanted to see how they were building out these frames. Look at this one. This one's pretty. Got lots of nectar going in up top. I see lots of pollen. Now you see they're stacking it in here pretty heavy, pretty quick. So this is a good one for me to leave to the outside. Well, get my fingers out of here. There we go. All right, I'm gonna kind of push this one just to the outside, give us room to go. Here's one of the frames that I inserted last time, so I'm excited to see. Look, here's what they're doing. They're building out this frame already. Tell you, the queen could be on here. She'll start laying before you know it. If you see the queen, Sarah, you are good at the queen. Look at that. See, they're building out in these strange pockets. See this though? That's drone-sized comb right here. See this? They're building out for drones right there. That's larger. This whole thing looks like they've got drones all over this, or I would expect it to be. Could be interesting. See what happens here. All right, let's leave that one there. I'm going to continue to push it over just a little bit. Boy, if you look down through there, there's bees coming up here. Look at that pollen all over them. Okay, give me just a little bit more. There you go. All right. This little bee over here, he's not happy with me. Sheep. I bet it's a sheep. All right, let's look at this one real quick. I don't want to do anything that's going to damage them. All right, lots of brood in the middle. I'm trying to make sure we don't see any queen cells or anything like that.
Wait.
Do you see her? You might see a drone. Oh, don't move. It's okay. They got the little agitated.
I think I see her.
Where?
Maybe.
It might be a drone. Let me see.
The big one?
No, I think that's a drone. All right. See, some of them. Okay. Let's look around here again. See, you see some of these drone cells popping up like that? Those are not queen cells. They are drone cells. See that popping up a little bit? All right. Let's put this one back down here. What I'm going to do is scoot this one over just a little bit. Okay. Look at all of this on this next one. It's got smoke. Give me some smoke. Good smoke. There you go. Thank you, baby. You are awesome at that. I appreciate you. Oh, that's a mistake. See how it went through because it was propolized so much. I'm blaming it on the propolization, but here's the thing. It's so stuck, you can't move smoothly sometimes. All right, here we go. See all the drone cells? Now, they're really preparing for some drones. We got to watch it. That's why I'm trying to give them some space. Lots of drones. See those big drones mixed in there? Okay. Wow. They are doing good. I'll tell you that. And one of the things that we may do. Okay. Here. Let's check this one real quick. Oh, here we go. Now this was another frame that I inserted. Look at this. All right, wow. There's some brood mixed in. See, she needed room though, because they're filling in everything they can with nectar. And I'm trying to just give them some space. They're still building out pretty good. There's nectar down in there. There's pollen. I see some little larvae. Trying to see if I see some eggs. I need some glasses on here. Could be a queen on here for sure. All right. Drop this one down in here. Okay, all right, little girls. I just want to check this one. This is the one that was brand new frame, and the other two are honey. See how they're building them out kind of wonky? Man, they're packing honey already on top. Let's see, the queen. I'm not necessarily searching for the queen, and there's nothing on that side. And you see the other ones are honey frames. See those out there on that outside? And they're still building on them, but I don't really have to mess with that so much. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. That's exactly, I don't need to keep staying in here. I'm just gonna push these over. Give me a little smoke just to make sure they're all out of the way. All right, girls, smoke right over here where we're going with this one, because I'm gonna basically get them out of those joints. There we go. All right, girls, y'all get out of there. All right, it's looking good though, isn't it? Isn't it pretty? Mm-hmm. They're doing a lot of work, aren't they? Mm-hmm. All right. Sorry about this. I'm just trying to get it where I can. There we go. And anytime you do this, I'm just going to be really careful not to mess up the queen. It's already there. And they got room down here to lay. This little drone what they got. All right there. Okay, that's good right there. All right, I'm going to take this one. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one and leave it. I'm going to leave it more towards that outside a little bit. I'm going to take this one. Got some straw on it. All right, see this one? I'm going to take it and turn it. Put it right down in here. All right. Hear them. Boy, you can hear them, can't you? They are going off. All right. See this one? This would be a good one for me to put right here. I'm going to place it in here and slide it over. And then just slowly slide this over. Okay. Now I got brood up top, see? And this one can go right here. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move that one. Push this one out here. Okay. That's fine. They'll be able to build that out. All right, now what I'm going to do is do this. I'm going to take this. They're not on the edge, are they? We're going to bring this box back up. Okay. There we go. Wow, that thing's got some weight to it. These are doing great. I tell you what, now what we got to do, smoke. Here's what I'm going to do, smoke so we can get I'm going to have to pour the liquid in there, the food. And what? That's good right there. No, place them out of that feeder. I'm going to place this one right here. See if we can get them. We're going to get them in here. Get the finger out of there. All right, there we go. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them a little bit of space in between this feeder. There we go. Thank you, babe. Okay, that's good. I'm going to give them space so they can run up through here and get to that feeder. All right, so two things I'm going to do real quick. I'm going to take this pollen patty. Since I moved this brood up here, look what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this brood, put it right there. All right, that's good. Now we're going to take this feed. All right, that's good right there. I'm going to pour it in.
Okay.
You did such an awesome job getting them out of there. That's not easy, is it?
Mm-mm.
Look at all those bees down at the entrance. Look at it, got pollen all over them, just pouring in with all kind of colors. Gorgeous colors. All right, show this up here. I'm about to get it close to full. These don't swim well, so I'm trying to get it as full as I can because I know they're going to use it. But at the same time, I think that's good right there. What do you think?
Yeah,
man, that ought to turn them on. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Take the lid. We'll get these girls. Come on, off the edge, girls. Come on, get them off of this edge over here a little bit. They're fanning. All right, girls, y'all gonna have to come off of here. You're gonna get killed. I don't like to squish any of them, but every now and then You know what I'm gonna have to do? I'm gonna have to turn it this way. Because the pollen patty. All right, come on, girls. There we go, there we go. Wasting time. Okay. We'll take this one, put it back on. All right, that's good right here. Okay, we did an awesome job. Yeah, that was great, Sarah. Good job. Woo, high five. All right, bees are doing great. We moved up a frame so that we've got brood in the upper box now. Hopefully over the next few days, they will build all around that and that queen will come up and start laying. It's gonna be a little bit warmer temperatures. It's in the 70s right now. Everything's blooming. We're getting excited for honey flow in about a month. All right, well, if you like, subscribe. God bless.